Hey everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to Texan Prepper. Today we're covering emergency and prepper items that you should always have in your car. Whether you're on a road trip, commuting to work, or just running errands, having these items in your car can make a significant difference in case of an emergency. We'll be covering everything from safety gear to tools to comfort items and more. So if you want to be fully prepared for any situation on the road, stick around, hit that like button, and let's get started. First, let's talk about safety and emergency items. These tools are vital for handling immediate threats and ensuring your safety while on the road. From first aid to signaling devices, we'll cover essential items to help you manage emergencies effectively. A first aid kit is a must-have for any vehicle. It should include basic supplies like bandages, antiseptic wipes, adhesive tape, gauze pads, scissors, tweezers, and pain relievers. Having these items can make a big difference in treating minor injuries. A glass breaking tool can help you escape from a car if you're trapped. It's designed to break car windows and cut through seat belts. Keep it within reach for quick access. Reflective triangles and road flares can alert other drivers if your car is disabled. They increase visibility and can prevent accidents, especially at night. If you are on the side of the road, place them around your vehicle to warn oncoming traffic. A small portable fire extinguisher can help you put out fires before they get out of control. Make sure it's rated for automotive use and check regularly to ensure it's charged. A whistle can help you signal for help if you're stranded. It's a simple yet effective tool for attracting attention. Pepper spray can be used for self-defense if you feel threatened. Make sure to check the laws in your area regarding its use. A flare can signal for help and is especially useful in remote areas. Use it to alert rescuers to your location. A high visibility vest can make you more visible to other drivers if you need to get out of your car, especially if it's dark outside and you need to fix something in your vehicle. Having a boomstick safely stored in your vehicle can provide a means of self-defense in extreme situations. Boomstick ownership entails significant responsibilities and legal considerations. If you choose to carry one in your vehicle, ensure proper training and adherence to laws. An emergency radio is essential for staying informed during an emergency. A hand crank or battery-operated radio ensures you can receive important updates even if your vehicle has died. Next, let's discuss tools and maintenance. These items will help you tackle common vehicle issues and keep your car running smoothly. We'll go over essential tools for handling minor repairs and maintenance tasks. Having a car jack and lug wrench is essential for changing a flat tire. Make sure you know how to use them and check your spare tire regularly to ensure it's in good condition. When changing your tires, consider saving your old ones as backups or spare tires. Jumper cables can help you start your car if your battery dies. Make sure you know how to use them safely. A portable jump starter can be a lifesaver if you can't find another vehicle to give you a jump. It's easy to use and doesn't require another vehicle. Check it regularly to ensure that it has a full charge. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. A tire pressure gauge can help you check your tire pressure regularly. A tire repair kit and air compressor can help you fix minor tire issues and inflate your tires on the go. A flashlight is essential for seeing in the dark. Consider using a headlamp to allow you to work hands-free. Make sure to have a few extra batteries as well. Duct tape is incredibly versatile and can be used for temporary repairs on your vehicle, securing items, or even first aid in a pinch. A small toolbox with basic tools like screwdrivers, pliers, and an adjustable wrench can help you handle minor repairs. A tow strap can be used to pull your car out of a ditch or other difficult situations. Make sure it's strong enough for your vehicle's weight. Bungee cords can be used to secure loose items or even make temporary repairs. Having the right communication and navigation tools is critical in an emergency. These items will keep you connected and help you find your way even when technology fails. We'll look at tools for staying in touch and navigating through any terrain. A phone charger and power bank ensures that your mobile devices stay charged. These are crucial for staying in touch and accessing information. These can even be used to charge other devices such as flashlights and headlamps if they are not battery operated. Having physical maps or an atlas can be invaluable if GPS signals are unavailable or your phone runs out of battery. A compass can help you navigate if you get lost. Be sure you know how to use one with a physical map. A notepad and pen can be useful for jotting down important information. Staying comfortable and sheltered is crucial if you're stranded. These items will keep you warm, dry, and comfortable until help arrives. We'll cover essentials for warmth, protection, and basic hygiene. A blanket can keep you warm if you're stuck in your car during cold weather or if you just need to take a nap during a long road trip. An umbrella can keep you dry if you need to leave your car during rain. The last thing you want is to get soaked if you have to do any repairs or leave your car behind to walk somewhere. A rain poncho is another option to help keep you dry in wet weather. Having extra clothing, including socks, gloves, and hats, can keep you warm and dry if your clothes get wet. Wet wipes are useful for cleaning your hands and face when water isn't available, especially if you have to do any repairs under your hood or if you're just sitting in a hot car sweating. They can help you stay clean and fresh. Toilet paper is an essential hygiene item. Keep a roll or two in your car for emergencies. A portable fan can keep you cool during hot weather, especially if you are stuck in a broken down car without air conditioning. Food and hydration are vital for survival. In an emergency, having enough water and non-perishable food can sustain you until help arrives. We'll discuss the best food and water items to keep in your vehicle. Keeping bottled water in your car can ensure you stay hydrated. Even if you live in a hot climate, drinking hot water is better than not having any water at all. Keep a supply of non-perishable snacks like energy bars, nuts, and dried fruits. You never know how long you may be stranded before help arrives. Winter conditions present unique challenges. These items will help keep you warm and safe during cold weather. We'll highlight essentials for preparing your car for winter emergencies. An ice scraper and snow brush are essential for clearing your car's windows, allowing you to see if you have to pull over during a snowstorm. Hand warmers can provide quick heat during cold weather. They come in various sizes as well as an adhesive form. These can be a lifesaver if you get stuck in freezing cold weather. An emergency blanket or sleeping bag can provide warmth and shelter if you're stuck overnight. A propane heater can provide warmth if you're stuck in your car during the winter. Be sure to crack your window for proper ventilation. Also, consider keeping a couple of 1-pound propane bottles in your vehicle. Being stuck in freezing conditions can turn deadly very quickly. To recap, having a well-prepared car emergency kit is crucial for any prepper. We've covered essential items for safety, tools, communication, comfort, and more. By equipping your vehicle with these items, you'll be ready to handle a wide range of emergencies. Remember to check and update your supplies regularly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Texan Prepper for more tips on emergency preparedness. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've provided links in the description below for most of the items in this video. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know what emergency items you keep in your car emergency kit, or if you have any suggestions. Thank you so much for watching Texan Prepper. Stay safe and keep prepping.